Hi, good morning, guys. Heartily welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite tutor, the Digital Ustaz. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. So, in this tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through our first ever Canva training series, which we are starting with the module one of the class, which we did yesterday. So, I'm going to show you how you can simply create a design, simply Instagram post with Canva using your smartphone. Okay, so initially yesterday in our live class I explained how you can design a simple Instagram design, which we did practical, and I sent the assignment to you via the Canva team. So I'm going to show you how to create that simple design here using Canva. So what you have to do is, once you open your Canva app, after launching your Canva app, the first thing you are going to do is, on your template sidebar, search for Instagram post. Search for Instagram post. So the design we are doing is about Instagram post. So once you search for Instagram post, you see so many templates about Instagram post, which we have something like this. We have all these, as you can see. All these are kind of Instagram posts you see where they do adverts for businesses, or maybe where you see someone posting daily quotes. Yeah, you can also do this using Canva template. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simply create something like this using your Canva app. Though there are so many things you can try, as you can see them. There are so many features you can try on Canva to create some amazing designs, as you can see the amazing templates, but it has to do with the Canva subscription. So you need to be make sure that you are in the pro subscription, or you are in the Z Digital Academy Canva team, the one you are seeing here, the one I recently shared with you guys. So make sure you either on the pro subscription, you either buy or you get the pro subscription. There is a YouTube video link under this video where I explain how you can get access to Canva Pro for free. So try and watch that video so that you know how to get the Canva Pro in case you are not in the Z Digital Academy Canva subscription. Okay, so firstly, if you want to design that template, the one we did yesterday, is very easy. So we are going to be using this template. This is the template we used for yesterday's class. So we'll be using this template again to create the design. So after launching your template, as you can see, there is color in this template, there is color in this background. So we are going to use something extraordinary different. So click on your elements, go to your elements. In your elements search bar, search for Canva. Just search for Canva. The template will show itself. So just search for Canva. So you can see this is what I want. Is we are going to use the Canva background. So click this, use this background. So replace this with your background. We don't need the red background. So we are using this Canva background as our background. Then coming next again, this name, edit this name to your name. Okay, your name may be either anyhow your name is, just edit this to your name. Okay, so I will edit this to my name, which as you can see, I've already edited this to my name. So what do I need to do next again? After editing this with my name, then bring this down, bring it down. Make sure you move the right up down. There's two ways you can move the right up down, either by using the arrow button to bring it down, or by clicking and use this to move it down directly. Okay, and make sure you are checking your rulers to be sure everything is going in the right way. So I'll move it down like this. As you can see, text is on top of the other one. It depends on how you want to do it actually. So this, you change this to okay, let's have something like this. Let's have something to be like, here should be your name, Then let's have something like stay tuned for this. Okay, then down in this dark button you can have this exploring AI with Z Digital Academy. Have something like this, exploring AI with the digital ustaz, exploring AI with the digital ustaz. So move it down, have something like this. So and change this font. You can change this to be small letter, just change this to be small letter, or make it italicized and bold. Then move this down. You can move this down to the down button. So once you have this at the down button, then add your picture. Remember the main template for the design I share with you guys in the Canva template, so make sure you make use of that one. This one is specifically for practical, for those who are going to practice, like for those who did not participate in the class at all. So this is for you to understand how this work. You can practice this at your own space. So that is why I'm doing this. Okay, so go, let's choose frame, search for frame, because I didn't show you how to search for frame. Just search for frame, the frame you are going to use. Okay, so I'll be using this frame, or you can either use a cycle frame. It all depends on how you want it to be. Okay, so I'm having this, so I'll take this frame to the back. Let's have it to the back, position at the back, or have it a little bit small and centralized, where you can add your picture. Okay, then you can move this text, reduce the text font, reduce it down. I'm going to drop the caption you are going to use for the purpose of this design. So check in the group. I drop the caption to use for this text. If you don't have the caption, write your own favorite caption. Just caption it in your own way. So here, go to your gallery and select the picture you want to use. Which picture do you want to use? Just find a simple picture to add for this for the purpose of this design. So just find a very simple picture that you can use for this design. So I'll choose one of my picture in my gallery for the purpose of this design. Okay, so using this picture, so you already have the frame. This frame means that any picture you are going to pick and keep there, it will enter the frame. So that is how the frame work. So if you have a frame, don't even think maybe you need extra tool to put the picture. So come to this out style and give the text, like give the shape and outline to make it look more shaded. So have something like this. Once you have something like this, the next thing you are going to do is bring this, go here and search day one. Just search for day one. Write something like day one here. So by the time you search for day one, you see something like this, all this. So select this first one. If you have this first one here, then keep this thing as the top button. You can have something here at the top button, then color it, give it a color as your day one, at day one. So by doing this is just the simple design I want you guys to do. You can do more something amazing. This is just an idea for you to get started. So try more amazing tool in Canva. So after designing all this, the next thing I'm going to do is click this button and download. Just download it of the media. How do you want to download it? Select. Do you want to download this as JPG, as PNG? This PNG is when you want to reuse it in another design. So I'll download this as JPG. Then once you select in JPG, then you click download to download it. So I'm now downloading this design to my device now, which after downloading, I can simply share this design either on my status, either on my Facebook, or wherever I want to post it, I can post it. Okay, so that is it. Go and did yours. Go and try and edit yours now. So thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial video. Remain your humble tutor, the digital stars.